How to connect your phone to a non-smart Samsung TV. Even if your Samsung TV isn't a smart TV, you can still connect your phone using one of the following methods. Method 1. Using an HDMI adapter. Step 1. Get a compatible HDMI adapter. Purchase one that works with your phone. USB-C to HDMI for most Android devices, or Lightning to HDMI for iPhones. Step 2. Connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end into the adapter and the other end into an available HDMI port on your Samsung TV. Step 3. Switch the TV input. Press the source or input button on your TV and select the HDMI port you connected to. Step 4. Your phone screen will now appear on the TV instantly, with no lag or quality issues. Method 2. Using a Chromecast or Amazon Fire TV stick. Step 1. Plug the device into an HDMI port on your TV and connect it to power. Step 2. Open the Google Home app on your phone and set up the device on the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Open any compatible app like YouTube or Netflix. Tap the cast icon and select your device. The content will play on your TV while your phone acts as a remote control. Method 3. Using an AV adapter and RCA cables for older TVs. Step 1. Get an HDMI to RCA converter and connect it to your phone's HDMI adapter. Step 2. Connect the RCA cables from the converter to the AV ports on your TV, matching the red, white, and yellow ports correctly. Step 3. Switch the TV input to AV, and your phone screen will display on the TV.